Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to learn how to clean and maintain your Boost 2 Plus Flex centrifuge. Cleaning and maintaining the Boost 2 Plus Flex. Your Boost 2 Plus Flex requires no regular maintenance, and cleaning is easy too. Start by using the power switch on the back of your Boost 2 Plus Flex to turn the centrifuge off. Next, unplug it from the wall. Your centrifuge should always be turned off and unplugged before you do any kind of cleaning. Make sure you wear appropriate personal protective equipment as outlined in your lab's policies. Only isopropyl alcohol or 10% 5500 ppm bleach solution should be used to clean your Boost 2 Plus Flex. You should never submerge the centrifuge. Instead, apply your cleaning solution to a dry cloth and wipe it across the centrifuge. You should then immediately use another clean dry cloth to wipe the centrifuge off. Make sure that only isopropyl alcohol or 10% 5500 ppm bleach solution are used to clean your centrifuge. Any other cleaning agents may damage the centrifuge and void the warranty. Your Boost 2 Plus Flex does not require any regular maintenance, but you may wish to confirm your spin speed. To do that, you will need a phototachometer. We are showing one here for reference. Your lab should have a calibrated phototachometer available for this purpose. The rotor of your Boost 2 Plus Flex has a photo strip on it already. No need to add one before using your phototachometer. To start, simply select the RPM that you would like to evaluate on your Boost 2 Plus Flex. Once you've got the correct RPM showing on the screen, go ahead and press the Start button. Your centrifuge will begin reaching that RPM, and you'll know that it's there once that countdown timer starts in the time screen. Once that countdown timer has started, use your phototachometer and point it down through the lid, right up against the black part, but making sure that the tachometer is looking down through the clear lid. You should receive a reading almost immediately. And that's all there is to cleaning and maintaining your Boost 2 Plus Flex centrifuge. If you have any other questions, you can always contact Drucker customer service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.